A warm good evening to everyone and welcome to Bright Fiesta 2024-25. 1,000 miles of journey begins with a single step. That single step of 100 of children has started with our Bright Academy since all parents trust and optimism. Hence, every parent deserves a special gratitude from Bright Academy. Bright Academy is established in the year of 2017 and it's completed 7 more years successfully after established. Mr. B. J. Parmesh and Mrs. Hema Parmesh are the proud founders of this prestigious school, Bright Academy. In order to provide a quality education in the rural area and with the vision of education to everyone, nation development from everyone to empower all students to embrace learning, achieve their personal best and build their emotional, social and physical well-being, founders proudly gifted this Bright Academy to the society. We proud that we all taking part of its 7th year grand celebration of Bright Fiesta 2024-25. Thank you everyone for being firm support for the development of Bright Academy. Esteemed guest of the day, Mrs. Bhagiamma, Block Education Officer Somapet Taluk, respected guest speaker Mr. Subramanya Mavanji, Honorable President of Bright Academy Mr. B. J. Parmesh, respected Secretary of Bright Academy Mrs. Hema Parmesh, respected Principal Mr. Harish Lakshman, parents, well-wishers, teaching, non-teaching staff and lovely children. A warm welcome to August gathering. As we approach to the end of this academic year and our many years of service towards providing quality education, the stage is ready for Bright Fiesta celebration. We take this opportunity to thank the Almighty for His abundant blessing and guidance from our President, Secretary, parents, students, teachers and well-wishers. We are glad to present the annual report for the academic year 2024-25. We feel proud that our children have achieved considerably even after lots of obstacles. As we shared the day-to-day activities, we have confident enough to say that as per the plan we did our best. And we are proud of our students and teachers who strive hard to achieve beyond expectations. We have focused on the holistic development of the students. We have always been committed to create an environment in the school which helps the young mind to bloom and provide a platform for individual thinking and holistic development of the child's personality, as academic session witnesses repositioning, restructuring and refocus. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Administration block. Bright Academy is having a dynamic administration block, which includes the Honorable President, respected Secretary, Honorable Principal and an account administrator. This block is always active even after the school hours in order to make parents comfortable to solve their doubts and fulfill child's learning aspects timely manner. Dedicated staff. We have dedicated staff wings as follows. Kindergarten. Kindergarten is a preschool educational approach based on playing, singing, practical activities such as drawing, and social interaction as part of the transition from home to school. In order to pull this chariot, we have a special wing with dedicated teachers. Bright Academy is collaborated with the Smart Kindergarten in order to provide international level pre-primary experience to pre-KG, LKG and UKG from the academic year 2025-26. Hence, the kids will get updated learning experience as international syllabus. Here is the brief introduction of Smart Kindergarten.
Imagine you're going to a supermarket with your mother and your mommy is offering you 5 chocolates and 3 chocolates. Which one will you be choosing? Yes, we all love to choose the bigger number of chocolates, yes? So, like you, long ago, there was a crocodile. Do you all know what is a crocodile? Yes, we all know what is a crocodile. So this crocodile always opens his mouth wide when he sees bigger number of chocolates. So children, now let's watch the lesson of greater than, less than and equal to. Like the crocodile, the symbol always opens to the bigger number.
Look at the little bird filling up the squirrel's baskets with apples. Let us count how many apples the first squirrel got. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has got 4 apples. Now, let's count the number of apples the second squirrel got. 1, 2, 3. It has got 3 apples. 4 is bigger than 3. Therefore, we can apply the sign as 4 is greater than 3.
In the next process register, child understands the concept through repeated practice of interactive activities.
Eight is less than 11.
Through Smart Kindergarten, your child is getting a comprehensive curriculum that develops essential learning skills in them. Through thoroughly researched teaching learning process of 7 hours, we could considerably develop the multiple intelligence in our children. The multiple intelligence areas are logical, musical, linguistic, interpersonal, intrapersonal, bodily, visual, naturalist. Deliverables. Smart Kindergarten is a complete package where the student materials and free support materials for teachers and classroom instructions are provided.
is an innovative section in Bright Academy which provides practical learning and advanced teaching to young learners. Primary education is the first stage of formal education that children receive after preschool or kindergarten. It is designed to provide students with fundamental skills in reading, writing, and mathematics. Primary education is also known as elementary education or first school. In primary school, kids get to meet several other children of their age. This encourages them to interact freely, which can help them make new friends and improve their communication skills. Moreover, they get to participate in several sports and group activities. Kids learn to coordinate, share and play with one another, thus inculcating social skills within them. Academics. Achieving academic excellence is at the heart of endeavor of all educators and academic institutions. An important measure of this pursuit is how the institution has performed, the most important of which is the annual examinations conducted by the state government. School conducts 6 assessments for every academic year. 4 formative assessments to summative assessments. Along with this, lesson-wise unit tests will be conducted after completing each lesson. Parents-teachers meeting is scheduled after completing each assessment. Parents would get a platform to provide their valuable feedback and guidance during parents-teachers meeting. Abacus has been added in the curriculum to the lower classes as a feather to our school crown. Times with Abacus, calculation skills are boosted, and students can complete calculations faster and more accurately. Times Abacus promotes a stress-free way of learning math concepts which build confidence. Times it enhances problem-solving abilities. Times Abacus learning not only focuses on getting the correct answer but also helps with logical reasoning. Times Abacus programs not only teach math but also help in improving concentration levels. Times it boosts self-confidence and self-esteem. Times it strengthens mental skills like visualization and memory. Times it helps with improvised writing and reading by promoting memory and creativity. We are proud to acknowledge that we had best results, achievement in academics, co-curricular and extracurricular activities throughout the session. We proudly place before you the achievement of our students and progress of our school, where all our staff is committed and dedicated. The whole purpose of education is to turn mirror into windows. Graduation Day. As a part of making children to adopt to the global development and build the awareness about graduation, UKG students takes part in Graduation Day every year. Students of UKG will be awarded with UKG Completion Certificate in the Graduation Day organized at Bright Academy. Best Class Award. Developing class-wise competition spirit is another strategy to develop academics in positive way. Competition builds their personal development also. So we plan to award the Best Class Award for every month once. It builds competitive spirit among students and they shows positive behaviors to achieve Best Class Award. Since these awards starts from the month of November 2024, First award of November month has received by grade 1 and second award of December month is received by grade 3. Congratulations to class teachers and students. Academic achievements. Students are facing various level competitions, such as students have represented our school at cluster and taluk level in Pratibha Karanji and secured many prizes as follows. Cluster level. Vasuki of 4th standard first place in clay modeling. Sunana of 4th standard second place in religious chanting. Ganashri of 5th standard second place in patriotic song. Jovita of 1st standard third place in action song. Sannidhi of 5th standard third place in action song. Vasuki of 4th standard selected to taluk level and represented the school at taluk level. Staff. Bright Academy family comprises of well-trained, well-experienced, dedicated teaching staff to focus on academic goals and achieve overall development in the child. In addition with teaching staff, we also have supporting staff team, which focus on child's safety and security. We duly appreciate the tremendous cooperation on the part of everyone associated with this institution who have strived their best to mold our students to work hard to make their dreams and aspiration come true. Apart from the various core subject teachers, we have dynamic teacher for karate also. Enhancement of skills in teachers and students. As a part of enrichment program, various workshops and seminars are periodically organized throughout the year for the overall development and enhancement of skills in teachers and students. Celebrations. Celebrations, sharing the happy moments together and spreading joy all around, is a vital aspect of Bright Academy. Krishna Janmashtami, Ganesh Chaturthi, Christmas and other important festivals were celebrated with great zest and veneration. The national festivals and vital celebrations were celebrated with great honor, such as Environment Day on 5th June, Yoga Day on 21st June, Independence Day on 15th August, Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October, Kannada Rajyotsava on 1st November, Children's Day on 14th November, Kankadasa Jayanti, Constitution Day on 26th November. Republic Day will be celebrated on 26th January. Scholastic activities. The school looks at each learner as a unique whole person with inherent genius, special capabilities and unlimited potential. By providing a conducive and encouraging environment, the students are mentored to participate. Along with national festivals, we also celebrated many special days as follows: Akshara Abhyasa, Market Day, Colors Day on every Saturday, Parents Sports on every year, Children's Sports, Raksha Bandhan, Celebration of New Year, Media. Here we have a collection of news updates regarding our school. Media plays a vital role in advertising the quality of institution and awakes people to aim at truth and genuine aspects. Engaging with newspapers exposes students to rich and diverse vocabulary, sentence structures, and writing styles. This exposure contributes to the development of their language skills, including reading comprehension, vocabulary expansion, and writing proficiency. Along with these positive outcomes, newspaper helps us to expose the quality of our school in an excellent manner. Karate. A training program of karate is going on once in a week in our school for students. Students participated in national level karate competition held at Hanshore and secured first and second prizes in Katha and Kumite. Sports. Sports teach us how to lose, but it also teaches us how not to be a loser. Adventure trips, visits and excursions. Our school organizes excursions and field trips every year to help students gain first-hand knowledge in joyful company of peer and friends. Current year students had been to GRS Mysore to cherish their knowledge with new places. The good work of a school is the result of hard work of students, parents, teachers and timely support from several quarters on behalf of the school. We hereby express our sincere thanks and heartfelt gratitude to Mr. B.J. Parmesh, the illustrious President of Bright Academy, Mrs. Hema Parmesh, Honorable Secretary of Bright Academy, Mr. Harish Lakshman, Principal of Bright Academy. We are also grateful to all trustee members for the continued assistance and guidance at all times. We take this opportunity to thank today's chief guest, Mrs. Bhagiyamma, Honorable BO of Sombapet Taluk, and guest speaker Mr. Subramanya Mavanji, whose generous presence for the program. Special thanks to all our proud parents as well. Their constructive criticism and valuable feedback has always been helpful in so many ways. Last but not the least, the staff and students of the school deserve a special mention for their consistent diligence, sincerity and devotion with which they continue to achieve excellence in all aspects of learning at school. On behalf of teaching and non-teaching staff, we take this opportunity to commit ourselves to do our best service at all times to the institution. Let us conclude this report by the words of our former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Learning gives you creativity, creativity leads to thinking, thinking provides knowledge, knowledge makes you great.